Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how I can send voice messages on Discord PC. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, make sure your computer is connected to a stable internet connection. Also confirm that you have the Discord application installed in your PC. So once you have installed the application, open it up and then sign into your account. Once you're inside Discord, you'll see listed server on the left-hand side of the screen. Select the server you want to send your voice message to. Keep in mind that Discord PC does not have a built-in option to record and send voice messages directly, but don't worry, there is a simple workaround. Open up any voice recorder on your PC or use any free recording software like Audacity and record your message. After you finish recording, save the audio file to your computer, and then when you're on your Discord server, tap on this plus button, then tap on upload a file. And just like that, browse your computer to select the file you just recorded, select it, and then tap on open. And just like that, simply tap on enter to send it. That is how you can send your voice message on Discord PC. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.